Hello everybody, this is TechHut. In this video what I'm going to be doing is showing you how to make your KDE Plasma Desktop absolutely beautiful using the Nordic theme and the Nordic folders, the Nordic color palette, all that stuff. In my opinion, at the moment, this is probably the very best theme for KDE, but that is obviously a biased opinion. I just love the flat colors, just everything about it in my opinion is perfect, especially the icons that come with it, not come with it, but the icons that you can get for it. If I kind of just show this off a little bit, if I bring down my file system or my file explorer here, you can see I was using this to install the Convantum theme of it. The icons that I have installed are absolutely beautiful. A link to everything will be in the description, by the way. But you can see how good those look. If we go over to our applications, all the icons, well, a lot of the icons follow kind of a rounded theme with a flat color, but some of them, such as the settings, systems, and things like that, have their own shapes. It's a good mix, it's a balanced mix where not everything is rounded. It's good when they do that because a lot of the times they'll try to round every single icon, but there's an application that they'll forget or not do, so then you just have this one non-rounded icon that stands out. But the fact they go with a lot of rounded, but every once in a while they don't, it's really, really nice because then it doesn't look weird when you do have one that's not specifically rounded. But to get all of this, you could do this through the system settings on your actual system, but this is the actual KDE Store Page for the Nordic KDE theme. You have everything you need here, including the color scheme, folders, Phantom theme, Plasma theme, everything. But you will be able to do most of this through your system settings, which I will show you real quick. It does import just about everything using just the global theme. So you go to global theme, you search Nordic, it's the only result if you search Nordic, and you apply it, and it will do basically everything, but it will miss out on a couple things, such as the actual color palette. You're going to want to do get new color scheme to search and get this. So you just open this up, go Nordic, give that a search, and then it should bring up your Nordic color theme. You will have to apply that after the fact. Close that out. The icons, it does not install the icons with the global theme, at least it didn't for me. So I believe you can get them through here. I think I did, but if you can't, there is a link in the page that I'll have down in the description. So here, Nordic, the Nordic pack is in here, so you shouldn't have a problem at all. Like I said, if there's anything you're missing, you can get it through here. For example, the Convantum theme, you're going to have to download and install through here because Convantum is kind of a third-party accessory, Convantum Manager. See this right here, and you can see if I go under Change Delete Theme, I'm using the Nordic Darker for Convantum. And using the Convantum theme will just kind of add the colors in the actual theming color palettes to applications that may not pull directly from the global theme in the KDE settings. So that's basically everything you're going to really need to know to get it. If we go back over here, you can see some more options, such as if you go to folders, you will have more options to the actual folders you want to install. Because you could tell if you go through here, some of the folders are like green. I like the gray because it kind of blends and meshes in. But you could go with the green, you can go with different color schemes and stuff like that. So you could always download that through here, and then you have the different folders and more options through this gnomelook.org website. If we go ahead and go back, the Convantum theme is here, so you just download that, place it in a folder that you'd like to save it, select it through Convantum, and you're good to go. And then me, I like the wallpaper. You can see it back here. It just goes really, really good with the color scheming and everything. So the wallpaper screenshot is here if you do want to use it as well. It's beautiful. I like it. But really, that's the entire video. I just wanted to show that off. It's super pretty. I like it. I hope you do like it too. I have another older video going over the theming and everything I was using like that, so if you want to see more videos like this going over some KDE theming customization, I have a video of the top 10 KDE widgets that I usually use on a normal basis. At the moment, I'm still in the process of getting all of them, but you will be seeing more and more coming soon on this desktop. Other than that, I hope you have a beautiful day. Thank you to my Patreon supporters. If you'd like to be on Patreon supporter, there'll be a link in the description. If not, liking, subscribing, and commenting on this video, telling me what KDE theme you're currently using. If you're not using KDE, what desktop environment are you using, and why? Or window manager, for that matter, in fact. If you are using KDE and you want to get more involved in window managers, there's a plugin, a video I did on a plugin that will kind of help you kind of step into window managers. I really enjoy them, but right now I'm just getting KDE set up again because I was on a Cinnamon for a while, testing it out, playing with it. It's good, but it's not as good as KDE. Other than that, have a good day and goodbye.